If there is one thing that can make your success easy and effortless, then that is having a right kind of habits. Successful people do follow right kind of habits that make them successful faster. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 top practical tips of successful people that you can also follow to taste success. Stay tuned. Welcome to the video. Now, if you observe closely, you will notice that having right kind of habit is directly proportionate to success in life. Why? Because habit makes things easy and on autopilot mode. That means you will have to take few efforts initially, but then you will be automatically doing that habit and that will push you towards success. The best example is brushing your teeth daily. This is the habit that you are following since childhood. Initially you started doing it with an effort, but now you do it without even realizing it that you are brushing your teeth daily. This is simply because you are habitual to it. So let us go ahead and decode top 5 practical habits of successful people and how you can embed them in your life. Habit number 1. Goals. Successful people are goals oriented. That means they believe in setting strong, specific and clear goal for themselves. In other words, wherever they are in their life right now, that is not a random thing but a goal that they had set for themselves. Setting a goal and reviewing the progress daily is something that every successful person does. And even you should do this thing. Set a goal for yourself so that at least you know where you are going in your life. Or else you will end up wasting most of your precious time without reaching anywhere. Also, once you set a goal for yourself, it doesn't matter how big or small the goals are, just make sure you write them down. This will help you to stay in tune with your goals. Moreover, it will be also acting as a reminder of where exactly you want to see yourself few years down the line. So make sure to have a goal like successful people and also make sure you check your progress regularly. Point number 2. Sleep well. Successful people sleep well because they know this is the only thing that can offer them unlimited energy. Yes, we have heard that successful people work a lot, and that is true, but they also do not compromise on their sleep. This is because a good and a sound sleep can impact your brain positively, can help you to get the extra energy, and more importantly, can help you to take right decision because your mind is absolutely clear when you sleep well. Hence, even you try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Try to hit the bed by 10 p.m. at max and wake up by 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. Waking up early in the morning will refresh your body magically. The energy that early morning sunrise offers is just priceless. Hence, wake up with a smile on your face to embrace the new energy and see the magic it offers. Point number 3. Time management. We all know that our time is limited on this earth. People who are successful not only know this fact but also make sure that this fact doesn't impact them. Hence, they make sure they make the best out of their time so they do not regret in their old age. They use their time wisely. And time management is the key that will help you to get the best in 24 hours. Hence, even you should use your time wisely. How? Here is what you need to do. The best thing to do is focus on what is important and what matters to you and ignore everything else. Don't try to impress everyone. Just do what is important for you or what is needed at that point of time for your goals. Also try to maintain monthly, weekly and daily schedule in advance. Whenever you write a task, just make sure that you ask yourself, will this task help me with my goals directly or not? If it doesn't help and can be ignored, then just ignore it, because this will save you lots and lots of time. Also try to create fixed routine for the task that you are gonna do daily. This will speed up your process as the time proceeds and it will save you some extra time. See, time is limited, but if we choose our task wisely and if we manage the time wisely, then the limited time is more than enough to get the best out of your life. Hence, make sure you are using it wisely. Habit number 4. Exercise. Successful people know that their mind and body needs to cooperate with them when they are walking on the path of their success. Hence, they make sure they take care of their mind and body by exercising them regularly. In your case as well, it will be wise to make sure that exercise is part of your daily habit. Exercising regularly will give you that extra dose of energy and will keep your mind and body active 24/7. So how to exercise your mind and brain? For physical health, you are free to choose between sports, yoga, gym, jogging, etc. Now, all these physical activities will also impact your brain positively, but you are also free to choose something else for your brain, something extra like solving puzzle, doing hobby, taking a time off for an hour every day. This will relax your brain and will make it more active. See, a healthy brain is needed to become successful in life, and a healthy brain resides only in a healthy body. Hence, make sure you take care of both of them religiously. Habit number 5, practicing spirituality. Everyone who is successful has some or the other spiritual practices that they follow regularly to connect deep with their soul and heart. This can be religious or not, but the goal is to make sure that you connect with yourself deeply and feel part of abundance. It is up to you to choose what works for you, but I'll just give you some example so that you get more clear thought on this thing. Here are few things you will often see successful people doing regularly. Successful people regularly visit their religious place, or at least whenever they get the opportunity. They also read some deep philosophical, spiritual or religious book that helps them to connect with themselves deeply. They also do charity, and even you can do this thing. Try to help other people. Share whatever you can in whatever quantity. It doesn't matter. What matters is that what are your intention behind this thing and how selflessly you are doing it. And when I say sharing, don't limit yourself with money. You can share your time by teaching someone who cannot afford tuition fees. You can share your knowledge. You can share anything. Like I said, what matters is the intention and how selfless you are when you are sharing with someone. This is also a form of charity. And also, successful people practice detachment. That is, they detach themselves from everything and everyone. They enjoy the company of everyone and they enjoy every product that they have, but they also remember that nothing is permanent here. Even you can understand this thing. Take a time to settle this thing in your heart that nothing is permanent here. If you take time to practice detachment regularly, then trust me, you will be more spiritual than ever. So these were the top 5 practical habits that every successful people incorporate them in their life. As I said before, having a right kind of habit can make things easy for you and your goals. Try to incorporate all of these habits in your life and see the magic it shows. Share your feedback with me in the comment box. Also, if you have any questions regarding following these habits in your life, then do ask those questions in the comment box below and I will answer them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then do hit the thumbs up button. Also, take an initiative to share it with your friends and family members and help them to build right habit. Feel free to connect with me on social media where I can answer all your questions regarding your personal life and personal problem directly to you. The handles are mentioned in the description box below. Also, I have 2 channels on YouTube, Samit Trivedi English and Samit Trivedi Hindi, where I upload 1 new video every week. Subscribe both the channels and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as I upload my new videos. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.